Well, here's a before shots of a Qualcast 1959-1960 Commodore lawnmower. There you can see the rear drum and clutch and cable, etc. And I'm only just sort of trying this phone out just to see what's going to happen as far as putting on YouTube. And there's another one before shot. There's another one typical of, rusty and a little bit tired. There's a side with all the gearing and chains and drum and clutch, etc. There's one of the motor, still a bit of the clutch mechanism still holding. There's another one of the motor and the chain guard, etc. There's another front view of the blades and everything there. There's another one there of the motor. And here's the finished product here. It's probably take me just over 90 hours to sort of do everything up. And I've actually got to pull it apart and just to put a washer in at the rear cylinder. There's the Carby and everything there. All the brass bits and ferrules have all been done up. There's the handle grips. There's a bit of a front view. But that actual zip starter is actually pot metal, and it's actually been buffed and it hasn't been sprayed, and all these nuts and bolts have actually all been buffed and original nuts and bolts, bar probably half a dozen flat washers that I've used around that area there, just sort of little cosmetic little parts. And then we're just around here. There's just the side. You probably can't really notice the gearing and the clutch there. There's the clutch there. There's some cables and exhaust. Colour of the motor. The actual kill switch I've actually made out of spring steel, which actually buffed up to like a copper, which was alright. But it's only the first lawnmower I've ever done up, just something different from the radios and all that sort of gear. But there it is. Might give it a kick in the guts and see what happens. Might have to put the camera down just to fire it up. There it is running. Well, it was running. up a bit. Probably can't hear me talking over this. The bowden wire's got to be replaced. It's got a small bit of damage bit there, as you can see. Springs all done up. Well, anyway, that's it. Got to pull it apart just to put that washer on that rear drum, but apart from that, it runs alright. And thanks for watching the video.